Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday, and what's really happening? Yeah, the market is still actually doing its thing, but the moves this week, I'm expecting some very good moves. Yesterday, we did also check actually USD Canada. So we did have some nice profits, but I still believe that we're still going to see the market pushing even lower. If you check the structure, we can easily see that, yeah, we actually coming from a very strong resistance. So you can see that we have a nice resistance. So the market is actually downtrending. So before we continue actually on the full scale analysis, let's check our daily economic news. So today's Tuesday, we don't actually have anything, quite similar to yesterday. Yesterday it was also a holiday in the US. So on actually tomorrow, Wednesday, we have core PPI. Most it's important, but not that crazy important. Around 8 we have a meeting, FOMC meeting. This is also very important. We might see the market going up and down aggressively. So on Thursday 12, we have core CPI. I'm waiting for this. I have to trade this, and also employment change. So on Friday we don't really have much. So this is actually what I'm actually waiting for. Core CPI, or just say CPI. So I tried to check some economic news. We have some stuff going on, Israel, Haman war, whatever. There is so much stuff going on, guys, but we just have to stick to our analysis. So for those who wants to be part of the team, yes, we still have that special. You can just scan that QR code, then you can then just talk to me. You can just pause the video, or let me just try to make it a bit smaller so that you can able to scan that, then WhatsApp me and be part of the team. Remember, we still having that $16 special until further notice, but I can just stop it anytime, whether it's tomorrow or maybe Friday, anytime, right? So I think that it's something. So let's go straight to the daily analysis. This is GBP JPY. Okay, GBP JPY, let's see on a 4 hours time frame and see what's really happening. I was supposed to start with DXY. Anyways, yes, we saw the market actually trying to break out of that support. You can see we had a nice support area, then the market just aggressively broke out of that. So which means we just have to see if maybe this still makes sense, because I think this aggressive push here doesn't really make sense, because I think it was the news actually. I think it was some economic news. But anyways, I think I need to clear this. It is no longer actually making sure, or it's not making sense any longer. So let's see. On a daily time frame, yes, that actually does make sense. But I think the trend there actually just changed. I think now we are starting to see actually a downtrend. Do you see that? I think the market starting to actually to push lower. Yes, previously the market was pushing up. So we have to check that downtrend. Let's go closer and see. Or let me just go back on my 4 hours time frame, just to see what's really happening. Let's go. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Let's clear this. So on top of there, I think you can see that we have a very nice resistant line. Remember, this is 4 hours time frame. So let's see. This is what I see actually. We have a nice resistance there. Actually, that is a zone. So let's see. Yeah, someone maybe can say, Kenzo, why don't you start around that area? You can also do that, but I think this is 4 hours time frame is still very big. Actually, I think this is a recent structure. So on the bottom side, I think we have structures like this. You see that? So we can still use that. On the bottom, I also see something like that. So we can say if the market breaks this support area, we can jump on that sell. So let's draw some proper structure then. Let's draw some proper structures. So around this area, we had that, but it's no longer important because the market actually moved past that stage. Now we are on this, currently we are here. The market is moving towards that resistant area. There is a possibility that the market can still break that. There is that possibility, but for now we are still respecting that. So I'm just waiting for the market to do what? To test this resistance here before pushing lower, or maybe the market will just break this support, then we can actually jump on that sell. So which means we will have something like that be below that support area, or counter support, or inner support. You see here I drawn that. Actually, if the market breaks that, yes, we're going to jump on that. Some they can say, Kenzo, I can still jump in when the market is it's retesting there. That is also correct. You can also do that, but I think maybe it's going to be way much safer if the market gets out of this support area. Then we can jump on that sell. That's what I see. So let's push to the next one. Let's push to the next one, which is actually DXY. What's really happening on DXY, guys? This thing has been pushing to the upside for quite some time now. We are actually on an uptrend. It's been pushing for quite some time. You can see we've been on this uptrend for quite some time. Now you can see that the market actually at the last reached our support area. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To bounce back from that. Then we can see the market pushing to the upside. So if this dollar, you can see the dollar is very stronger, so it means that we're going to see another push to the upside. If we see this push already started, it means we will see maybe gold also reversing. You can see the market here at least reversed aggressively, pushing to the lower side. That's why we saw gold pushing up, Nasdaq, US30, or other pairs, they were going up because the dollar was actually going a little bit weaker for a few hours. Then after we see that the market is doing what? The market is about to push to the upside, which means we're going to see another continuation of maybe sell on those pairs, Nasdaq, US30, gold, and other ones, right? So we are still on this full force of uptrend, so which means the dollar is getting stronger. We'll see what happens on other pairs. So let's see. You can see the reversal that caused the market to push the upside. The time the market was going down, we saw that at least a pound, euro USD also trying to push the upside. But now, just because the market touched the support, I mean on DXY, it's that time where we're going to see the market selling because the dollar is getting stronger again. But besides that, let's go back actually on GBP because I was still talking about DXY actually. So now we are on GBP USD. What's really happening? I think it's just straightforward. You can easily see that the market is under pressure. The market is on downtrend. We have a resistance there. It's been there for quite some time. I even sent this actually in the group. So these are the type of the signals that you can receive. So what I see here is the market is still respecting this resistance. So I'm expecting the market to respect that. And plus we have this horizontal resistance there. The market is actually respecting that. So this can be a very nice or good sell if the market respect that. If the market respect our structure, it means we will see a very nice push to the lower side. Down there, we actually have a support. Yes, there is a possibility that the market can still break that. It's not like maybe when we draw these lines, we're saying the market will never pass that. No, there is a chance that sometimes we can be wrong and the market can break this resistance and start to push the upside. But it seems like the market is aggressively on a downtrend. So I'm expecting the market to continue selling. I hope you see that. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like share with your friends. If you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. Scan that and you can be part of the team. Scan that and join the team for only $16. Then yeah. Then you can be part of the team. we still on special. I can say we already on that Black Friday. So on Euro USD also, we've been talking about this uptrend, which is taking time to load. It's fine, but we're no longer on that. Now we are actually on a downtrend. You can see that we had some areas where the market gave us some very nice resistance there, and we connected that, and we start to realize that yes, that is a very nice downtrend. We have another counter trend line inside that, just to show us that, you know what, Kenzo, we still continue with the sell. I think, yes, I did send a sell on GBPUSD. I still see that I was also supposed to send it here on the Euro USD. But the thing is, sometimes they correlate, guys. So if you send GBP, I think it's much better not to send Euro USD, just to be safe, because sometimes the market can reject. But what's really happening here is, it's obvious for us that we are still actually on a downtrend. On top there, we also have another resistance. So there is a chance for the market to do what? To push the lower side. If not, maybe the market will break. Maybe we can even reach this support area before we push to the lower side. But for now, we are continuing with this downtrend. It seems to be a very nice downtrend, you see. So let's push to the next one, which is actually gold. Let's go. What's really happening on gold? You can easily see that, yes, I've been preaching about this downtrend for quite some time now, but you know what? This was like seriously aggressive. The market was like seriously melting, and most of that part we missed it because we did not know where to continue selling, because it's been selling for quite some time, you see. So now actually I can remove this, but it seems to be correct. So this is a counter trend line. Actually, we can see the market did touch that. Here the market tried to touch that. So I thought maybe the market was going to reverse there. Actually, yesterday we also had a sell pending order. Guess what? The market actually broke out. The market broke out of this. It seems like it's trying to retest, or maybe we can say maybe the market is respecting this area. We will see. Maybe if it respects that area, it means we will see the market going down again. So, but I will be monitoring the chart. So if anything happened there, if the market breaks this area, then we can look for a sell, because there is a chance that maybe the market wants to retest before pushing up, and we can easily see that the sell here is being aggressive. So mostly we expect the market to retest. I'm expecting the market to, sorry, not to retest, but to reverse, because this sell, guys, is aggressive. So I don't just think, even if maybe it's a stronger sell, I don't see it just pushing like that for quite some time. Yes, we might see a reversal before we see another continuation. The structure should be actually connect, but this one doesn't really connect. It was like seriously aggressive, which means the dollar was very strong. So what I'm seeing here is, I see maybe the market retesting, pushing up, or maybe the market will respect this area and start to push the lower side. Then we can continue with our sell positions, as we are actually on a down trend. So let's push to the next one, which is actually US30. US30 also actually disappointed us yesterday. What's really happening is because we are on a downtrend. You see that? Let me put it like that. As long as they connect, as long as they make sense, we have to connect them. Only small move doesn't have to change the way we see things. So you can see that from the top there, we can easily see that the market did connect very nice. There is a stronger resistance after the breakout of that uptrend. So we see that the market is aggressively trying to push the lower side. Guess what? We also have another counter trend line that was actually complementing that downtrend. Guess what? Yesterday things did not go the way we want. We were on that sell, but it seems like the market wants to go back on this resistance before maybe pushing lower. We saw the market breaks everything, the resistance that we had before, also the horizontal one. So it means the market might be trying to do what? To push to the upside. And the thing is, since we are actually on a downtrend, if we're going to buy, it should be a hit and run. Hit and run is you just scalp that. You buy, get in profit, and get out very quick, because we are still on a downtrend and a reversal can happen very quick. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. But yeah, we will see. We will see. I saw that DXY was trying to reverse, so which means we might see a reversal on US30, but it seems like it's trying to push the upside. Then we can just have a hit and run before we see another sell. This sell was actually aggressive. Maybe the market wants to breathe a little bit before we see a continuation of that sell. So let's push to the next one, which is actually Nasdaq. Nasdaq is also doing the same thing. What do we see here? We have a structure. Currently, we have a structure. You can easily see that, yes, the market has been actually doing its thing. So now maybe the market wants to do something like that. You can see something like this, guys. I think that maybe might happen. So, but the thing is, since we are actually on a downtrend, it's sometimes difficult for us just to take a buy, especially when you know that the market is aggressively on a downtrend. So the market can reverse anyway. So we had a nice sell pending order. Guess what? The market actually decided to push the upside. So now it seems, or we have to wait for the market to reach this resistance before we think about going lower, because we are actually on the middle. We can't do anything. So the best thing is, maybe now, as it's a pre-market or before the market opens, maybe the market will try to push towards our resistance before we see another, or before we take another sell. Yes, it's been tough for the past 2 weeks, or even this, but I can't say this week as it's actually Tuesday, but it's been tough. The market has been just doing its thing. The market has been just consolidating, but here and there we did actually smash. So yes, I'm just going to wait for Nasdaq to reach the resistance before, or wait for it to give us a proper structure that can show us maybe where are we supposed to sell. If maybe the market creates something like that, we have to wait sometimes we can just jump on the market. So we have to wait and see what will happen. For now, I will be waiting, but US30 seems to be trying to push the upside. You saw that. But anyways, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. For those who want to be part of the team, you can scan my WhatsApp QR code there, or go on my description. You will find the link or my contact. Then you can be part of the team. Remember, it's a limited special, but you pay once, then that's $16 you pay once, then you be part of the team for a lifetime. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.